This potion cannot be penetrated by hand, vanished, parted, scooped up or siphoned away, nor can it be transfigured, charmed, or otherwise made to change its nature. This potion is supposed to be drunk.
Witches, grab your shakers and glassware. Prepare your drinking vessel by placing 1 Luxardo maraschino cherry into the bottom of your glass. Then place 1/4 ounce of Chirot aloe liqueur into your shaker. Followed by 1/2 ounce of Bols creme de menthe. Next, we have 1/2 ounce of green chartreuse. Then we'll add 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Lastly, place 1.5 ounces of Tanqueray London Dry Gin. Add copious ice to your shakers. Shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Strain into your glass.
It has to be drunk. All of it. It has to be drunk.
And that's the Emerald Potion, otherwise known as the Drink of Despair.
In good health. If you crave bubbles and smoke, feel free to add a small piece of dry ice.